Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DigiBook Summary. Here you can listen your favorite audiobook summaries and you can share them with your friends. So our today's book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Your Path to Financial Wisdom. So, okay, tell me, have you ever wondered how to navigate the unpredictable world of investing with confidence? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have dreams of financial success, but achieving them can be a daunting task. So, in this audiobook summary, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, we will explore the timeless principles of intelligent investing in a way that's easy to understand and relatable to your everyday life. So, let's start with Chapter 1, The Investor and Market Fluctuations. Imagine you are at a fruit market and you see the price of apples fluctuating wildly throughout the day. Would you buy more apples when they are expensive or when they are on sale? Of course, we'll try to buy apples when they are on sale. So in this chapter, we'll learn that stock markets behave similarly with prices, fluctuating based on fear and greed. Benjamin Graham teaches us the importance of being a patient and rational investor, not swayed by market emotions. Chapter 2, Mr. Market and You. Meet Mr. Market, your quirky business partner who offers to buy or sell shares of a company every day at varying prices. Graham's analogy of Mr. Market helps us understand the daily volatility of stock. In this chapter, you'll explore how can you benefit from Mr. Market's irrationality by buying low and selling high. Chapter 3, The Defensive Investor versus the Enterprising Investor. So my question is, are you a cautious or adventurous investor? Well, this chapter helps you identify your investment style and provide guidelines for both defensive investors who prefer a low-risk approach and enterprising investors who are willing to take more risk for potentially higher rewards. Chapter 4, Stock Selection for Defensive Investor. You don't need to be a financial expert to pick stocks wisely. This chapter discusses the concept of investing in bonds with a stock kicker and explore how can you build a diversified, low-maintenance portfolio. Imagine you are creating your own recipe for financial success. Chapter 5, Stock Selection for the Enterprising Investor. For those seeking high returns, we delve into the art of stock selection. In this chapter, you will learn about the importance of in-depth research, financial analysis, and diversification. Imagine you are a detective searching for hidden gems in the stock market. Chapter 6, Portfolio Policy for Defensive Investor. Just like a gardener who trims different types of plants in a different way, same way you will learn how to nurture your investment portfolio. This chapter discusses the balance between stocks and bonds and the significance of staying diversified to reduce risk. Imagine your investments are like a beautiful garden that needs care and attention. Chapter 7, Portfolio Policy for Enterprising Investor. For those with a taste of adventure, we explore how to optimize your portfolio to achieve the best results while keeping risk in check. Think of your investment portfolio as a high-performance sports car that you are fine-tuning for the race. Chapter 8, The Investor and Market Fluctuation. Returning to market fluctuation, we'll delve deeper into the concept of market timing. This chapter shares real-life stories of investors who try to outsmart the market and the consequences they faced. This chapter tells us why it's best to stay invested for the long term. Chapter 9, Investing in Investment Funds. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds are like all-you-can-eat buffet for investors. This chapter helps you understand how to choose the right funds for your investment objectives. Think of investment fund as a diverse menu, each with its own specialty. Chapter 10, The Investor and His Advisors. Imagine you are consulting a team of experts to make important life decisions. In this chapter, we explore the role of financial advisors and how to choose one who truly has your best interest at heart. This chapter teaches us how to differentiate advisors who genuinely care about your financial well-being and those who just work for money. Chapter 11, Security Analysis for the Lay Investor. You don't need to be a PhD in finance to analyze stocks. This chapter simply teaches how to evaluate a company's financial health and its value. Imagine you are a detective inspecting a potential investment for hidden clues. Chapter 12, The Defensive Investor and Common Stocks. We return to defensive investor, examine common stocks and how they fit into a conservative portfolio. This chapter helps you to discover the advantages and limitations of the investment choice. Chapter 13, A Comparison of 4 Listed Companies. This chapter compares 4 real companies to demonstrate how to apply the principles of security analysis in a practical way. You will see how to assess the strengths and weaknesses of each business. Chapter 14, Stock Selection for the Enterprising Investor. For the enterprising investor, we revisit stock selection with a focus on more advanced techniques. In this chapter, you will learn about the importance of diversification and margin of safety in your investment choices. Chapter 15, Stock Selection for the Enterprising Investor. This chapter uses everyday examples to illustrate the concepts and making them easy to grasp. Chapter 16, Convertible Issues and Warrants. Convertible bonds and warrants can be complex, but this chapter breaks them down into simple terms. In this chapter, you'll understand how they work and their potential benefits and drawbacks. Chapter 17, 4 Extremely Instructive Case Histories. Imagine learning from real-life investment successes and failures. In this chapter, we analyze 4 historical case studies to help make better investment decisions in our own life. Chapter 18, Investment of the Enterprising Investor. The Positive Side. For enterprising investors, this chapter discusses the brighter side of investment. In this chapter, we'll explore strategies for seeking higher returns through carefully chosen stocks and bonds. Chapter 19, Investment of the Enterprising Investor. The Negative Side. Even enterprising investors face risks. In this chapter, we will explore common pitfalls and mistakes to avoid, keeping us on the path to financial success. Chapter 20, Margin of Safety as the Central Concept of Investment. Margin of safety is a key concept in intelligent investing. In this chapter, we'll explore how it helps us to protect our investment in challenging times. Think of it as your financial safety net. Chapter 21, The Investor and His Income. In this chapter, you will discover how to generate a reliable income stream from your investments. Whether you are in a retirement or planning for the future, think of your investment as a source of passive income. Chapter 22, The Investor and His Principle. As we conclude our journey, we reflect on the core principle of intelligent investing that Benjamin Graham has shared with us. This chapter helps us to define our own investment philosophy and approach, tailored to our unique needs and goals. Congratulations, we have covered the audiobook summary of the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. I hope you now feel more confident and equipped to navigate the world of investing intelligently. Remember that principles in this book are not just for financial experts, but for everyone seeking financial security and prosperity. Apply these lessons in your daily life and watch your investment grow with me. So happy investing. So this was the audiobook summary of the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Tell me how did you find this summary, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and discuss in the comment section below what summary would you like to hear. Until we come next time, till then, take care, bye bye.